Hey guys, I kind of put the cart before the horse, so I need to give you a heads up about what we got going on this week. So anyways, just post your introductory video on the discussion board. That should take not too long. Watch the banned words lecture, and then take the banned word quiz. It's just 5 points. After that, do the week one assignment. So you're going to make, and this was regarding the shitty first drafts, you're going to do one paraphrase of 3 sentences. You're going to introduce 3 quotes and explain them, and then you're going to write a 1 sentence summary about the article, and then upload the Google Doc link to the Dropbox. Cemetery project information is here. Try to let me know who you are, what you like to do, and what kind of background you have so that I can get to know you a little more. Conference signups, I've done a couple, but I would love, and no, they're not required, but I would love to, again, get to meet you a little more. It won't take forever, and we can do FaceTime, WebEx, or even on the phone. I don't care. We'll just make it quick and easy. And then the writing terms, you're going to see the study guide. It's right here. And then you're going, oh, study guide is right here. And then the practice quiz is right here. So you just have to take the practice quiz, and it's just 5 points for actually doing it. This is a pre-test because at the end you'll do the post-test. My gosh, you guys really know your terms, because the ones I've seen so far are awesome. Like, you guys did the bomb on them. So anyways, the cemetery project, I just want to go back to that one really fast. And here is the Google Doc link to it. But I told you during our WebEx meeting that I would never have you do something that I would never do. So I went ahead and did this video, and I went ahead and did this video at the cemetery yesterday. So, and then actually they're a little more straightforward about the inferences. And please text me if you have any questions. Anytime I leave my name, I put my phone number after it, so it's nice and handy. Please text me. It takes me a minute to reply to the email, and I'd rather just quickly answer your question if need be. So at any rate, if you haven't, in tomorrow and the next day are supposed to be really nice. So get right on out there, because next week I heard there's a polar vortex coming. So get this done and enjoy yourself. More than anything, have fun. And that's about it. Hope you have a great day.